Hey everyone, it's Kelly here, and in this video I will teach you how to set up an announcement bar in your online store. Alright, so setting up an announcement bar is very straightforward. There are only three components: your message, your button, and a countdown. A button and a countdown is actually optional, so it's up to you how you want to play around. Alright, so let's get started. Once you're logged in, we want to click on Apps, and then we want to click on the Add Integration button on this top right corner here. And what we'll need to do is search for announcement bar. Alright, so let's install this into our online store. Alright, now let's move on to the appearance settings. So at this section, you can actually customize the color for every component of the announcement bar, so you can align it with your brand colors or even come up with special colors to attract your customers' attention. So let's move on to the additional options. In terms of the stitches effect, this is the dotted line you see at the top and bottom of your announcement bar. It actually just helps to catch your customers' eyeballs. So in terms of the stick on top effect, if you enable it, what this does is that as your customers scroll through your online store, this announcement bar will constantly remain at the top of their page. So they're constantly reminded about any ongoing promotions that you have or any discount vouchers and things like that. Alright, so in terms of the close effect, it's very straightforward. It actually allows your customers to close this announcement bar if you feel like it's affecting how your website looks to them. Alright, so we know that sometimes you may have a few promotions going on and you want to highlight all of them. What we have here is you can actually add up to 5 banners to highlight each and every promotion. So I'll teach you how to set up one banner, then you can actually add on 4 more, to highlight the different promotions that you have. In terms of your message, you want to highlight what's the ongoing offer here, and then if you want to direct them to maybe a product page or a checkout page, you can then enable this button and you put a text for this button together with the link. So once they read your ongoing offer, like save up to 30%, shop now, and then they click on shop now, it will direct them to your catalog page and things like that. So in terms of creating a sense of urgency, you can also use our countdown feature here, and you can actually set how you want your countdown style to look like. Alright, so with that, you have successfully created an announcement bar that will help you showcase your ongoing promotion and discounts. Bye!